Hello everyone, in this video we have this nice radical equation. We have square root of x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2. And we have to find the value of x. But before we begin, as always, pause the video and try first. And if you are new here, consider subscribed and also don't forget to like this video. Now let's get started. So we have square root of x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2. Okay? Now let's go ahead and then raise each side of this equation to the second power, so that this square will cancel this square root. Now we have x minus 2 is equal to, now if we expand this, we have x to the second power minus 4x plus 4. Okay? Right. Now let's move the whole of this to the right hand side. So we have x to the second power minus 4x minus this x over here, then plus 4 plus 2. And this is equal to 0. Okay? Now simplifying this, we have x to the second power minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now from here, we're going to find two values that when you multiply them, you'll be getting positive 6. But when you sum them up, you'll be getting negative 5. Okay? And the values are negative 3, negative 2. Okay? So this equation could also be written as x to the second power minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay? Now let's go ahead and then factorize this. So we have x into x minus 2, then negative 3 into x minus 2, and this is equal to 0. So we have x minus 3 as one of the factors, then we also have x minus 2 as the other factor, and this is equal to 0. Now from here we can say that x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now making x the subject from this equation, we have x to be equal to 3, or from this equation we have x is equal to 2. Now let's go ahead and then test these values. We're going to put these values into the original equation to see whether they satisfy the equation. Okay, so if x is equal to 3, we have square root of 3 minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2. Okay, now we have square root of 3 minus 2 is 1, and this is equal to 3 minus 2 is also 1. And square root of 1 is 1. Okay, so you can see the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So we can say that x equals 3 is a solution to the problem. Now let's go ahead and then test for x is equal to 2. So if x is equal to 2, then we have square root of 2 minus 2, and this is equal to 2 minus 2. Okay? Now from the left hand side, we have square root of 0, and the right hand side we have 0. Square root of 0 is still 0. Okay? So here you can also see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it means that these values of x satisfy the equation. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please consider subscribed and also don't forget to like this video. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again on the next video.